Today learn about SMPS power supply. This power supply for big digital watch. Power supply rating is 5 volt 10 ampere and input voltage 230 AC. I will try to give you complete information about this SMPS power supply. As you have seen in this power supply first DC power is generated from AC power. It uses rectifier and capacitor so that smoother DC current can be obtained. Switching is done with MOSFET in which AC supply is made back from DC supply, but its frequency is kept as per its power requirement. This process made use by high frequency transformer. Again use diode and DC supply is made from AC supply, and regulator IC is also used, and some information of terminal. This terminal is 230 voltage, first and second. Third terminal is ground, and fourth is negative and 5 is positive terminal. This chassis connector strip, and this preset tuned by frequency variation. So completely 5 volt regulate setup preset, and this capacitor is filter capacitor of 5 volt, 3 connected in parallel. This capacitor is a main DC power supply, 230 volt DC filtering capacitor. This is a bridge rectifier and other some capacitors from high frequency dropping, and optocoupler. Optocoupler work is a sample of forward power, output power. This section is 230 volt section, the high current, and this is a low current, low voltage. This is a MOSFET, mostly use of IRF840, but do not show this circuit rusted. I would check by bridge rectifier, short या open, but measuring correct, do not short. Bridge rectifier testing by positive terminal and negative terminal connect, and short circuit one by one AC input through forward by reverse by. Small parts is tunnel diode, the high current load controller, which MOSFET otherwise open, so high current dropping. This time tunnel diode is open for short circuit safety. This is a MOSFET, but do not show the number. Mostly used by 840. Most This is a 5-volt regulated IC 7805. Already 3 numbers used in parallel. Regulated IC for DC power supply output. Through proper channel, check by fuse and coil, complete connectivity. First stage and second stage is bridge rectifier. Bridge rectifier, first positive, second terminal is AC, third terminal is second AC, and fourth terminal is negative output. Testing on circuit. Do not short measuring. Rectifier same to same test by diode. One by one test forward bias and reverse bias. One by one check. But this time do not problem is complete. Not circuit short. Most probably some issue any power supply, MOSFET, capacitor, main power capacitor and bridge rectifier. 80% same to same problem. Bridge rectifier is okay, and MOSFET testing by emitter to collector, short circuit testing, and base to emitter testing, base to collector testing. Is okay, not problem. He is okay. So other problem is I would like filter capacitor replace 4068 microfarad for 400 volt 68 microfarad capacitor replace. completely soldering, and I will check this power supply 230 volt AC connected in connector strip, and this capacitor also replaced, and power supply on. This is an indication. First, so to indication green light, and measure 230 volt to 5 volt DC, 5.2 volt DC is above 5 volt without load. This is working proper, 5.1 and 5.2 volt. With load testing, this is a power supply on load used by halogen lamp with measuring voltage, and connect lamp. Blink first green light, and therefore and then light is on. I also first check complete testing okay. Working okay proper, and complete box fitting and tested okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.